Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you how to make a hierarchy chart on Canva. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly create a hierarchy chart on Canva here? Well, creating a hierarchy chart is going to be pretty easy here with Canva. It's because of the tools that is already existing here in Canva. Now, we all know Canva here is a versatile tool that allows you to create designs in a rapid way. They also have, or they showcase different templates here that you could use to basically create or easy create your project or your design here. Now they have a bunch of features here that you could use to basically create or improve your design process. But yeah, so in this case, how do we create our hierarchy chart here in Canva? Now, first things first, you want to go to canva.com and want to go and log into your account or create your account. But yeah, let's go ahead and click on create design here. And from here, you want to go and just specify the keyword that you want to, what design or what type of project that you want to create. But since we want to create a hierarchy chart here, you just type in hierarchy chart and just press enter. Now, in this case, it will give you different formattings here like organization chart, Gantt chart here, table, pie chart, and a lot more. But in my case, I'm going to choose organization chart here, which in this case is hierarchy charts usually are based from. And as you can see at the left side here, we have different templates that we could choose from. Now, obviously, you could go and choose whichever that fits your organization here. There are things that you could try doing here to further improve the design, but in my case I want to choose the basic one here because we'll be basically adding more into it. Let's go and choose this one, and also it's going to also give you the option to choose from or other formats here. Obviously, if you choose the pro option here that has a crown on it, it's going to be in this case a template that requires you to have a pro plan in order for you to use it. But other than that, the other, in this case, templates here are going to be free, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's go and choose this one, so it has more, as you can see right now, or this one. So yeah, so you can also change the template here. Like for example, you want to change the color, so you can shuffle it around if you want to. So yeah, let's go and just change a few things here and see what design we could get here. So yeah, for example, this one. Now let's go and select this one. And the great thing about Canva here is you can add different elements into your design. So first things first, maybe you want to edit the background for it. So to edit your background, what you could do is you can just select it and you can just basically change the color. As you can see right now, you can change it to a darker tone, lighter tone here, or whatever. Now, if you want to add, like for example, another section, like for example, if you want to add people into your hierarchy, what you could try doing here is first is you want to highlight everything here. Now maybe let's go and highlight this, and you want to go and just reduce the size. So this is a group resize here. Now once you've done that, you can just move it up a bit, and you can just start adding people in here. Like for example, let's go and copy this one. Like maybe we want to add like people under it. Let's go and highlight the section here. Press Ctrl C on our keyboard and Ctrl V on our keyboard to copy that and add it at the right side. Let's go ahead and highlight this section here and delete it. Now let's delete anything that we don't want to delete. Now the thing with lines here, you can just basically reduce it, and you just want to connect it at the end here. Now if you're having a hard time here, you maybe want to zoom in and just make sure it's aligned, as you can see here now. Now for this one, you could go and just extend the line, or you could go also copy the line here, paste it, and you may want to move it around. So sorry, you can move it here first, and from here, let's go and select the line itself. Wait, let's go and just remove this so that it's going to be a lot easier for us. And from here, copy, paste it. So if you don't, you go and click on the move icon here so that you can move the line. Just make sure you extend it, and it actually matches in here, as you can see right now. Now another thing you may want to do here is if you do see it overlapping on your design, you may want to right click on it, and you want to go to layer, and you want to go and click on the option here that says send backward. So that's going to be at the back of that photo. Now, for the photos and text here, these are quite easy to edit. So you can just go to uploads here, upload the photos that you want to use, and in this case, you want to go and just drag it into that circle so that you can replace the actual photo. Now, for the actual text, you just need to double click on it and just change the actual name. Like, for example, I'm just going to say cat is going to be the CEO here. And you want to go and click on the other text here. Let's just say there's going to be mean cat as a manager. So obviously you could just add whatever, whoever you want to add in here. Change the text. You can even double click on the actual title for this one and basically just change that. Now, since we want to change we want to add some designs into our chart here, what you could try doing here. By the way, let's go and zoom in or zoom out a bit here so we could see the whole thing. So yeah, what you could do is first is we want to add a background here. So for example, let's just say it is going to be a like buildings. Just press enter. And we want to go to photos here, click on see all, and see what we could actually use here. Like for example, I want to use this one. Or even like this one. So this one looks cool. So you can just add it in the background. So obviously you can resize a lot of things here. So first is we want to go ahead and click on the transparency here, so it's not that visible. So now we have it full screen. Now we could try doing here as well is we want to right click on the actual image and want to go to layers so that you could, every time you select something here, you should be able to select the photos itself. So what I like doing here is, again, you want to right click on your image, go to layer, and you want to go and choose the option here that says send to back, so that it's going to be at the very background. So you can select the other elements here like the lines, the photos, or whatever. So yeah, so it's a great way for you to add some photos in the background as well. Now, if you want to add like elements as well, like for example, let's go to elements here. And maybe I want to say I want to add like tech stuff here. So technology. And from here, you want to go to graphics instead. And you want to go and just choose whichever. For example, I want to add this one. Let's go and add this at the very end here. And you can go and resize this if you want. Again, you want to right click on it. You want to go to layer and just instead of saying send it back, I would recommend you send this to back until you see it just at the back of the photos or other elements that you have here. Or you can even like show the layer itself so that you can see how it's organized. So you can see it's here. Let's just go to the very bottom here, just before the actual background that we have, as you can see right now, and here. So that's the back. You can also choose a color here. Any graphics that you've added here on Canva allows you or gives you the option to change the color for it. You can even change the transparency, as you can see right now. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So that's how you make a hierarchy chart here in Canva. Everything is a lot easier because of the tools that we already have here in Canva. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe till then up. Thank you for watching.